All right. Hello, I'm Jim Markel. I'm here with Alex Nyman up here on the roof of Red Ox Factory number 8. We get lots of questions of people asking how to wash your bag. So, today we'll start with water, some soap, and a scrub brush, and a dirty bag. Step 1. Throw your bag in some water and let it soak. Add some of the Dr. Brommer's hemp soap. Not sure what flavor that is, but it smells good. I like to pre-soak the bag a little bit, get the soap in there. Lots of soap. Don't be shy. So we recommend hand washing your soap, or hand washing your Red Ox bag with a mild detergent like Dr. Brommer's, Woolite, or even Dawn dish liquid. We just happen to sell this soap on our website, so you can imagine why I'm using it today. So do your best to get the stains worked in or worked out. Throw a little more soap on here. Work the webbing real good with the nylon bristle brush. Then simply rinse. This is the same way we used to wash parachutes back when I was in the Marine Corps. We would take them out back behind the paraloft. We had these big, deep sinks. After we'd jump them into salt water, we'd have to get the salt out of them. And so we'd just take the chutes in. We'd have a 2-step process, have one tank, get it rinsed and cleared, then move it to the second tank, and get them all rinsed out. Then we would, obviously with nylon, it preferred to hang dry your nylon. Look at this. So I can put a lot of water in a bag there. So you want to hang dry your nylon and let the bag dry nice and slow. You don't want to stick it in your washing machine, or you don't want to use a dryer. Do not use your wife's machines, or you will be in deep trouble when you break them. So take it out to the backyard this summer. Get your bags all cleaned up, get the stink out, and be ready to fly the somewhat friendly skies. What's that? Do we have any questions from online? All right, so it's pretty simple. Maintaining your gear has never been easier. Simply take it to the backyard, get out the hose, put your kids on it, and pretty soon your Red Ox gear will be ready to travel again. Take it away, Alex.